In this video, I'm going to show you how to explore your spending data in Origin Financial. Let's get started. First, go to the spending section and open the spending breakdown page. This is your main dashboard for expenses where you can see your total spending for the month and compare it with previous months to track changes and trends. All transactions are automatically categorized, and you can filter them by merchant, category, or amount to quickly find what you need. You can also tap the calendar icon to switch between monthly, quarterly, or annual views, which is useful for tracking larger or less frequent expenses. For more detailed insights, go to the Reports section. Here, you can view your data in stack bar charts to see trends over time or donut charts to understand category breakdowns. You can also apply filters for accounts, timeframes, and spending types like income or expenses. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.